Hi, few days before I made a video to install macOS on Windows 11 computer. So this is the video how to download and install macOS on Windows. So using this video tutorial you can easily create a virtual computer and this should be the macOS computer. I mean Apple Mac computer. It was very straightforward. You just need to follow the whole video step by step and you need to do step by step, and then after that you will get the complete Mac computer on your Windows. So using that tutorial, many people they give me email basically based on the email address which is on my YouTube account. So this asks me how to uh, run the macOS later. So basically what happened, they are able to install it, and after installation later they try to access the Mac computer, I mean macOS, and they are facing some issue how to access there, like what is the command they need to load the thing or how to access the thing, this type of thing. So in this video I will show you how you can easily access that installed macOS which was installed on your virtual machine. Is very straightforward. We'll see that we don't need to memorize the command. It's very simple and easy. We can easily access the virtual computer very easily. So I'm going to jump to my Windows computer. So this is the Windows computer. Our goal was to start that Mac OS here, right? We installed before. So if you don't know how to install it, you can check that video. I'll give you the video link description how to install it on your Windows computer. You can check there. So now our installation is completed. Now let's run the Mac OS. So at first we need to click search, and then we have to type cmd, and the command prompt window will be there. I mean command prompt option is there. If we click here, then the command prompt window will be open. So from here we just need to open the Mac OS environment. I mean that is the Ubuntu environment, right? So if we press this button, it will expand on menu, and from here we have to choose Ubuntu. We just need to click here and the Ubuntu interface will be there. So it will take some time, like few seconds, like 10 to 20 seconds to load the prompt, something like that. So now we have to write on command ls, that means list. So this is the machine where the Mac OS is installed. So we just need to access this machine first. So I'm going to type the command cd then os x-kvm, the whole thing we need to type, and after that we have to press the enter key of our keyboard, and now we'll access there. Now again if we type the ls command, ls means list, it will show us everything on that machine. After typing ls, we'll see a couple of things are there, like some list of files and some shell script is there sh. So our goal is to open, I mean run this Mac OS. So for this case basically we need to use the opencore, this command opencore -boot.sh. So what we need to do, we need to type dot and then slash, then we need to type the shell script name like opencore. If we type o and if we hit tab key, then it will complete opencore. Then type dash, then again b and type, I mean type press the tab button, it will complete boot, and then you can type the shell script, or you can put a dot and then again press the tab, it will complete like this way, and then you can easily hit enter key and it will open like this way, and you see that the virtual computer is open shortly, and here is the Mac OS, right? So we have to press enter and then it will start booting the Mac OS. So that is the command. So two commands are required. So what are the commands? We need to access this folder first, or this location first, cd, this thing, cd means change directory, and then we have to run this command dot/dot in Unix system or Linux or Ubuntu system. We need to execute any shell script by using the dot/ then the command like file name. The file name is the shell script name. So this is the command dot/opencore-boot.sh. So these two command is enough to access that thing, and once you type it, if we press enter key, it will load our Mac OS which we installed before, and now we can type our password. So I'm going to type my password. You will type your password, and after typing the password, you are able to log in this thing. So here I type the password, and after that is loading. It will take some time, like few seconds. It will load fast. macOS is very faster compared to Windows. So that's it. So that's it, guys. In this way, we can easily run the macOS later, or start our macOS later if we close our macOS after installation, or somehow if we close it, and again if we want to reopen it. That's it, guys. So in this way we can easily do this thing. And again I'm telling, if you don't know how to install it, you can check the video in my channel. I already published that thing a couple of days before. In the video description is there also. You can check that video, like how to install macOS on your Windows computer. You can check that. And that's it, guys. Hopefully by watching this thing, it will be very helpful for you to use your macOS later. And at last, thanks guys for watching the video.